Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Binance Earn option. Okay, so first up, log into your Binance account. And then once you're in here, let's just go ahead over to Earn. And in here we have Simple Earn. Okay, so click on it. And then here we're going to want to find a product. Okay, or basically search for your desired cryptocurrency. It could be Bitcoin, USDT, BNB, and some other options. Let's say USDT. Just click on it, and then here you can go ahead and select from one of these terms. Okay, you have flexible or even days right here, or duration, 90 days, 30 days, or whatever it is. So flexible allows you to immediately redeem at any time. Now, if it says here locked, while it offers higher APR, okay, but it also requires locking funds for 30 to 120 days. Okay. So what you're going to do next is just basically click on subscribe. If you want this one, for example, this one right here, you got a special offer. Subscribe, okay, click on it and then enter the amount. For example, your max or maximum USDT that is available in your wallet. So here we have the summary, okay. Read the terms, and then once that's done, just hit on confirm. And if you want to as well, by the way, you can go ahead and turn on auto subscribe right here. And this feature automatically transfers asset from the spot wallet to Simple Earn daily. Okay, just hit on I understand, hit on confirm, and once done, you're good to go. So if you want to know the risk for this option, well, Simple Earn right here, or Simple Earn products are principal protected, meaning the token amount is guaranteed, but the fiat value may still fluctuate. Well, that is how you use Binance Earn. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.